Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Raquelle from Barbie and Dress to Impress. Sorry I had to do that because that's how she says her name. It's not Raquelle, it's Raquelle. Okay, stop the cringe now. For the hair, I use this hair in no bangs, no adjustments made on that. And then I use this hair in black too, Y 0.43, Z 0.52, and then rotate the Z at 0.46 and scale it to 0.66. Then for the outfit, we're going to use a skirt in no ribbons and color that black. And then we're going to get the leather jacket, if I can just find it. No watermelon, and then I'm just going to color it this color in light silk. Did I do silk or light silk? I don't remember. Let's do light silk. And then I did this color DCB25E. So the one before was 786947. Then for the shirt, I used this in white and matte. And then I also used these pants in matte in all black. And then for the necklace, I used this in I don't remember which gold I used. I think it was this one, and I colored the inside part white. And then I also used this necklace in the second toggle in the white color, and then I think I did all white if I'm not mistaken. Oh my gosh, I don't remember, but okay. And then for the belt, I used this belt, and I colored it this red, 390607, and then this gold, DCB25E. And then I used these heels in this color, 7A0D10. Actually, I'll do 6C0C0E. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!